A very good morning to all of you. So today in this class we'll continue our chapter number 5 of chemistry, that is coal and petroleum. In the previous classes you have learned about the fossil fuels coal and petroleum, and you have learned that petroleum is used to manufacture various new substances like bitumen, paraffin wax, diesel and various other products, as ma'am has told you. So that is why petroleum is used in making so many new products. So petroleum is referred to as black gold. Okay, petroleum is used in the manufacturing of various commercial products. So that is why petroleum is also known as black gold. Okay, so now we'll begin with another topic, another fossil fuel, that is natural gas. So what is natural gas? When we were learning about the occurrence and making of petroleum, how petroleum is formed, so along with the petroleum you have learned that natural gas is also formed. So the properties of natural gas: firstly, it is very important fossil fuel. It is used in various industries. It is a mixture of methane. Methane is a hydrocarbon, means it is a gas made up of carbon and hydrogen. So natural gas is a mixture of methane and other hydrocarbon gases. Hydrocarbon gases means the gases which are made up of hydrogen and carbon combined chemically. And next is, it is easy to transport. Natural gas can be easily transported in the pipes. Okay, you can see that nowadays in your homes there is a pipeline for the gas. So natural gas can be transported easily with the help of pipelines. In the pipes it can be transferred. The next is, it can be stored under high pressure, means we can compress it. Natural gas can be compressed easily. You have learnt about CNG. You know what is CNG? Compressed natural gas. CNG is compressed natural gas. Now CNG is widely used in various fields. It is used in the power generation, means it is used to generate electricity. It is used as a fuel. Okay, it is used in power generation. It is used as a fuel in vehicles. All of you must have seen that nowadays CNG kits, CNG cylinders have been installed in the cars and other vehicles also. For there it is used as a fuel. It is cheap, it is not very expensive, and it is a cleaner fuel. Cleaner fuel means it causes less pollution as compared to petrol and diesel. CNG causes less pollution because it do not release carbon monoxide in the atmosphere in large amounts as compared to petrol and diesel. So therefore CNG is a very cleaner fuel, pollute less as compared to petrol and diesel. So that is why CNG is preferred over petrol and diesel. Next is, it is used for cooking in homes and burning in factories, means it can be directly used in homes and factories for cooking and burning, and it can be transported through pipes. People are getting pipeline of CNG in their homes for that, for cooking purposes, and similarly in factories also for the purpose of burning, melting, CNG is used. Okay, where various cities have CNG pipelines. Examples are Vadodara in Gujarat, Delhi also, and nowadays you can see we are getting our cooking gas in the form of pipeline. In Haryana also we are getting pipelines for compressed natural gas for cooking. Okay.